Hey, what is up guys? Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today you find me discussing a topic which, let's face it, I really love. Sports, activity. I may not look the fittest, but I love getting out there, adventuring, exploring, and getting a bit active. And you join me with this, the latest bit of tech which I've been sent, something which will really enhance the fitness journey. It's the new Xiaomi Watch S1. I've just been sent it. Now I'm going to get out of the box, discuss some of the features, get it on the wrist, then we'll show you a little look at it, what it's like when you're out, when you're active, and just before we even jump into unboxing it, let's take a quick look around the package itself. Very neat, very sophisticated, the watch on the front, some of its key features, up to 5 atmospheres of pressure, so you can use it for swimming, long battery life, we're looking at about 2 weeks estimate. It's got a crisp, clear AMOLED display. It's got over 100 exercise sort of variations which you can do and built-in presets. You can of course pair it with Bluetooth 5.0 for calling and all your mobile services straight off the watch face messaging. It's got a built-in blood oxygen monitor, heart rate monitor. Pretty much what we're saying here is this could be the perfect training partner. So let's, without further ado, open the packaging now. Let's take a look at the device itself. Then we'll get it all unwrapped, unboxed, and see what it's like to use. Straight off the bat, you'll see you're greeted with the device itself, the watch, looking very slick, all in black here on a rubber band, which I particularly like, because let's face it, for training, for getting wet, for adventure, it's durable, it's practical, it feels great on the wrist. It's a neat looking device, pretty weighty, which is nice, feels like high quality. You've got obviously a screen protector here, which we'll take off in a sec, and one there protecting the rear heart rate monitor. If we take that aside for a second, let's see what else comes inside the packaging. So you've got a little compartment here which had the watch in it. Below that, we've got 2 further little compartments. Now, the one, if I lift it up here, has got your instructional manuals and cards. And if we fold that one back down and we open the other one, you are of course greeted with your sync charge cable, and quite nice, it's a magnetic style proprietary dock with a USB-A to connect to your computer or wall outlet charging socket. Other than that, not too much else in the box. So let's now get the device onto my wrist, start setting it up, and then start training with the Xiaomi Watch S1. Taking a look at the device itself, first thing of course we're going to do is remove the screen protector, and there we can see a very reflective, very slick looking AMOLED display, jet black, so it should look great when I turn it on. And overall I love a round dialed sports watch. It looks traditional, it looks classic, it looks sophisticated. Over on the back there's another protector to remove, and this of course is all the watch sensors, the likes of the oxygen, O2 monitoring, your heart rate, everything else. Other than this, there's just a little bit of the descriptions, the water rating, and a couple of simple buttons, which are, again, a great to see feature, because while I love touch-based devices, it's nice to have a little bit of physical control, particularly when active. And it's saying time to tone up, Mi Fitness 3.0. Let's download the application and start the overall training experience. It's out here when you're on the trails that you can get ready to explore a little sport with the Xiaomi smartwatch S1. I've selected running as my activity. It's asking me to go, so let's hit that and let's see what this thing's all about. It's also here when cycling that you can enjoy either the perfect indoor gym session or take to the hills out there and enjoy a little bit of outdoor cycling. No matter where you do it, the Mi Fitness watch is the perfect companion. The other area where this works, of course, is over here in the swimming pool. Outdoor running, walking, treadmill, trekking, cycling, swimming, freestyle, open water, elliptical, yoga, hiking, triathlon, tennis. You can add more and more. There is just countless activities available. With an overall very, very compact looking profile when on the arm, a heft but yet a light enough weight to not impose in sports activities, the practical, comfortable rubber band, and an affordable price point. What is for sure when you're using the Xiaomi Sports Watch S1 is that this is perhaps easily the best wearable device that the brand have made. I spent time using Xiaomi sports devices in the past and I've loved using them, but this Sports Watch S1 is simply an epic training buddy, a great overall slick looking go out watch, and just with its long battery life and sophisticated styling, an absolutely awesome way to get active and enjoy keeping high tech.